What's up, guys? My Fan Sports here. Now, I know I told you guys that I originally wasn't going to do a video this weekend. Like, at all. I wasn't going to make a video at all this weekend. I was going to originally just forget about it and just subscribe to 2 people. Mostly because I made a video earlier this week. It was a new White Moose Stuff video. And it was released earlier this week. And I said I wasn't going to make a new video this weekend, and yet I am filming and talking to you guys right now as we speak. And by the way, in case you didn't know, this is a new episode of...
Wait, this is really how they big look. Real talk. Wait, look though. Hey, it's how the rapper. I'm really trying to be a rapper right now. Like this is the real angry rapper. Real talk. I kill niggas. I slay niggas that don't love it. Nigga, you wanna beat me to get it, I get it back.
That's right. Real talk. By the way, how about a thumbs up for that intro? Anyway. This is a new episode of Real Talk. And originally I was going to, because I was working on it earlier today. I wasn't, like, if you ever heard of the YouTuber Tobuscus, does that name sound familiar? The YouTuber with the name Tobuscus. If you've heard of this YouTuber, if you know who I'm talking about, he always has like literal trailers or parodies or whatever. Well, if you've heard of his famous Cute Win Fail series, you know that he was he's a like I said, if you okay, I'm really sorry, guys, but my head's just not in it today. But anyway, if you've heard of his work and you know of his Cute Win Fail videos, for those of you who are fans of Tobuscus or heard of Tobuscus or know who he is and whatnot, if you know what I'm talking about. I was trying to do a parody of that today. I was working on it all day, and I was filming it all day. And then when I went to edit it and look at the filming and the editing and all that other stuff, I realized the video was going to suck. And that's why I did not upload it. Or decided not to put it on YouTube, not make it, and all that other stuff. Instead, I decided to do an episode of Real Talk, plus introduce my cool new intro, which you just saw. So what's good? What's good with you guys? What's good? So I thought instead of making a new Real Talk episode, I figured I'd just do this instead. you know, this kind of stuff. But anyways, yes, I know this. I'm making this is an episode of Real Talk. Okay, just a second. Okay, get to the chase. So I was going to do a cute win fail parody sketch spoof, but I didn't do it because when like I told you, I saw the video after I finished editing it, and I realized this video was gonna suck, and that's why I didn't upload it, because I knew that I wouldn't get any views. I would get a whole bunch of my fans, sports, what a sucky video. And that's why I didn't upload it. And plus, I already made a new White Mustafa video where he puts on the cologne of the enemy company Axe, which was pretty funny. So, and there's a link to that video in there too. And I also want to discuss the white movies and white TV shows with black titles and stuff. Okay. If you know who the YouTuber D6 is, he's like one of my new favorite YouTubers. He is extremely funny, and you should check him out. Link in the description. Very funny guy. He made these white movies with black titles things. Everybody else parodized it. I decided to do my version of white movies and TV shows with black titles. I just want to tell you guys straight up front, I was not trying to be mean or make fun of any TV shows or movies or make fun of anybody when I was making those videos. It was just a parody, and it was all in good fun, and I apologize if I offended you or you took them the wrong way. I didn't mean to. I apologize, but yeah, I'm sorry. My head's like half asleep, so that's why this video was kind of, yeah. So if you want to check the white movies and TV show things, all the links will be in this video. And thumbs up if you like the new intro, and if you think I should use that more often, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And plus, I also wanted to show you some of my movie posters that, well, like I said, if you want to see those videos, go check them out and all of those stuff. And then, yeah, I gotta go, guys. I'm tired. My fan sports out.